should they put on the toothbrush to get their teeth clean? Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Right. You only need a pea-sized dot of toothpaste to brush your teeth. Let's brush our teeth and break the curse. Great, now what? Break the curse. It's working. Keep brushing. Hey, you're the Knights of Clean. At your service. How's my breath now? Minty fresh. Admit you can't tell the difference. Huh? No, not you again. I can straighten the window once more. Devil! Knock it off! Break it up, please! Hey, you! Over here! What's up, kids? Looking for my homies. Have you seen them? Homies? I wonder, could she be... There's no stopping us now. Our habits are healthy, and our breath is minty. I wonder, could she be...